Hello and welcome to all of you in my channel Blue Chip Finance Education and Learning. In this series of videos, we will discuss about one new topic of business statistics, which is also considered in pure statistics, and that is index numbers. सो इस वीडियो के अंदर हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2019 के इंडेक्स नंबर के टॉपिक के क्वेश्चंस को बेस बना के हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट लेंगे और फिर हम प्रीवियस पेपर्स को मज़ीद आगे कंसिडर करते जाएंगे. इंडेक्स नंबर is a topic of statistics in which we assess the movement of price or quantity with respect to time. के टाइम के एतबार से जो प्रोडक्ट की जो प्राइस है और जो क्वांटिटी है, मोस्टली प्राइस को कंसिडर किया जाता है लेकिन क्वांटिटी को भी इसके अंदर देखा जा सकता है. तो प्राइस और क्वांटिटी वो वक्त के एतबार से वो किस तरह बिहेव करती है, हम उसको इंडेक्स नंबर के अंदर हम डिस्कस करते हैं. इंडेक्स नंबर हैज़ टू मेजर types. One is called simple index and another one is called composite index. Simple index in which we take the price or quantity related to only one product, whereas in composite index number we take the price or quantity related to more than one product. So that is the basic difference of simple and composite index number. सिंपल के अंदर जो प्रोडक्ट या क्वांटिटी है वो प्राइस या क्वांटिटी वो सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट की कंसिडर की जाती है, जबकि कंपोजिट इंडेक्स नंबर के अंदर जो प्राइस या क्वांटिटी है वो मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट्स की ली जाती है. सिंपल इंडेक्स नंबर can be calculated through two different methods. One is called simple index number and direct method you can say. और जो दूसरा मेथड है, इस डायरेक्ट मेथड के अंदर हम फिक्स्ड बेस को लेकर चलते हैं, जबकि दूसरा मेथड इसका है चेन बेस मेथड. यानी कि जिस पीरियड को आप बेस बनाते हैं एक मेथड के अंदर वो पीरियड कांस्टेंट रहता है, वो चेंज नहीं होता. और दूसरे मेथड के अंदर जो कि चेन बेस मेथड है, उस मेथड के अंदर हम जो बेस पीरियड है उसको चेंज करते रहते हैं एक ऑब्जर्वेशन से दूसरी ऑब्जर्वेशन तक. तो ये दो मेथड्स जो हैं ये यूज़ होते हैं सिंपल इंडेक्स नंबर के अंदर, जबकि जो कंपोजिट इंडेक्स नंबर है वो फर्दर कैटेगराइज इनटू टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स. वन इज़ कॉल्ड अनवेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर एंड अनदर वन इज़ कॉल्ड वेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर. जो अनवेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर है उसके अंदर क्वांटिटीज़ को कंसिडर नहीं किया जाता, ओनली प्राइस को लिया जाता. जबकि जो आपका वेटेड इंडेक्स है उसके अंदर आप प्राइस के साथ साथ आप क्वांटिटीज़ को भी कंसिडर करते हैं. यानी कि आपका जो अनवेटेड मेथड है इसके अंदर आप एग्रीगेटिव इंडेक्स के ज़रिए भी इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, जो कि आगे कहीं ना कहीं क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, हम उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. और जो दूसरा मेथड है वो आपका एवरेज ऑफ रिलेटिव मेथड है, जिसके अंदर आप थ्रू प्राइस रिलेटिव भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और आप उसको लिंक रिलेटिव्स के ज़रिए भी कैलकुलेट यानी चेन बेस के ज़रिए भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. प्राइस रिलेटिव क्या है और लिंक रिलेटिव क्या है ये आगे आप सॉल्यूशंस में देखते जाएंगे. जबकि आपका जो वेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर है वो आम तौर पे वो चार डिफरेंट मेथड्स को यूज़ किया जाता है. फर्स्ट वन इज़ कॉल्ड लेस्पेर्स मेथड, second one is called fastest method, third one is called Fisher's ideal index method, and number fourth is Marshall Edgeworth method. So first of all, we are going to discuss the paper of 2019, and in this paper we will analyze that how many questions are asked in this paper, and what are the topics those are asked in the paper, either simple index or composite index. So first of all, question is that construct price index number for year 2000 on the basis of year 1990 using base year weighted and current year weighted. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने असेस करना है कि ये क्वेश्चन जो है इसके अंदर प्राइस के साथ क्वांटिटी गिवन है या नहीं. तो क्वांटिटीज एज यू आर सीइंग दैट क्वांटिटीज आर गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन. सो it is the question related to weighted index number, and weighted index number I already discussed with you that there are 4 different methods. There are other methods also, but we mostly discuss only 4 different methods. One is called Laspers method, second one is called fastest method, third one is called Fisher ideal index, and fourth one is called Marshall Edgeworth index number. But here question is asked that base year weighted and current year weighted. So what this means, बेस ईयर वेटेड लेस्पेयर्स मेथड को ही बोला जाता है, और करंट ईयर वेटेड जो है ये आपका पास्टेस्ट मेथड को बोला जाता है. ये दीज आर अदर नेम्स ऑफ लेस्पेयर्स एंड पास्टेस्ट मेथड. सो इसके बारे में आप वरी नहीं करेंगे. अगर प्रोडक्ट्स को आप देखें तो ए बी सी डी, देयर आर मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट्स. सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू कंपोजिट इंडेक्स, एंड further it is related to weighted index. So Laspers method जो है it is always equals to sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught, in which P naught and Q naught is the price or quantity of base period, as it is the mention in the question that using 1990 as base. So price of 1990 is P naught and quantity of 1990 is also Q naught, whereas for 2000 price is considered as P1 and quantity will be considered as Q1. If there is one another year, the price of 2001, for example, if there is 2001 and price and quantity is given, so the price of 2001 will be considered as P2 and quantity will be considered as Q2. But here there is only one year, so price will be considered as P1 and quantity will be considered as Q1. So now, after understanding these P1, P0, Q0, P1, Q1, we just simply go to the formula. So first of all, base year weighted or Laspers index formula is sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0. Here formula is given, and for fastest method or current year weighted method, formula is sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q1. So it is very easy to calculate these summations, because you know that price of 1990 is P0 and quantity of 1990 is Q0. Similarly, price of 2000 is P1 and quantity is Q1. So simply just multiply these digits and take the sums. So we need 4 different calculations. sum of P naught Q naught, sum of P1 Q naught, sum of P1 Q1, and sum of P naught Q1. So first of all, P naught Q naught. So what is P naught? P naught is given here, price of 1990. And what is Q naught? Q naught is also quantity related to 1990. So just simply multiply these digits. 70 multiplied by 3, 80 multiplied by 5, 40 multiplied by 8, 50 multiplied by 10, and result is given here. Take the sum, that is 1430. After that, we need P1 Q naught. So what is P1? P1 is the price of 2000. Current year price is price of 2000. And Q naught is the quantity of base period 1990. So just simply multiply these two. 70 multiplied by 4, 80 multiplied by 6, 40 multiplied by 10, and 50 multiplied by 12, and take the sum, that is 1760. After that, P1 Q1. P1 is the price of 2000 or current year, and quantity of current year or 2000 is Q1. So simply just multiply these two. 75 multiplied by 4, 90 multiplied by 6, 55 multiplied by 10, and 60 multiplied by 12, and take the sum, that is 2110. After that, we need last one more calculation, and that is P naught Q1. P naught and Q1. P naught is the base period price and Q1 is current year's quantity. So 75 multiplied by 3, 90 multiplied by 5, 55 multiplied by 8, and 60 multiplied by 10. Take these multiplications and take the sum, that is 1715. After that, just put these values into these formula. For example, base year weighted or Lesper's method, sum of P1 Q naught equals to sum of P naught Q naught, that is 1760 divided by 1430 multiplied by 100, and result is 123.07. And similarly, current year weighted or past method, sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q1 is equals to multiply by 100 equals to 2110 and divided by 1715 multiplied by 100, and result is 123.03. इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर आपको ये भी असेस हो सकता है कि आपकी कैलकुलेशंस दुरुस्त हैं या गलत. अगर इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ रहा है, there is a huge difference between these two, then your calculations are wrong. And if there is a little difference, even 1 or 2, then it's okay, your calculations are correct. So after this extensive question of index number, now we move to the second part, and that is short questions. Those are asked in paper 2019 related to index number. And here you are seeing that calculated observations are given here. Sum of P naught Q naught equals to 3600. Sum of P1 Q naught equals to 4300. Sum of P1 Q1 equals to 4890. And sum of P naught Q1 is equals to 4100. Find Fisher's ideal index. So these are all calculations we already calculated by ourselves in previous question. So in this short question, it was given as calculated to you, and you are asked to calculate the find Fisher's ideal index. Fisher's ideal index is third index of weighted index number, and it is always equals to Lesper's index number multiplied by Past's index number under root. So Lesper's index, as we calculated here, is sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught multiplied by 100 as given here, and Past's index is equals to sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q1 multiplied by 100. Just take this data, Put in these two formulas and first calculate Laspers and Pasches index. Laspers index जो है वो है 119.44 और Pasches index है 119.27. Laspers और Pasches दोनों इंडेक्स नंबर्स को आप मल्टीप्लाई करें और इसका स्क्वायर रूट ले लें और आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा फिशर्स आइडियल इंडेक्स का. So 119.44 multiplied by 119.27 and square root and answer is 119.35. So that is Fisher's ideal index. अब उसके बाद second question is that distinguish between simple and composite index number. I already discussed with you that what is the difference between simple and composite index number. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसके अंदर आप लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे सिंपली 2 लाइंस के अंदर मैंने इसको कवर कर दिया है, लेकिन आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसके अंदर डिटेल्स दें ताकि आपको इसमें अच्छे मार्क्स मिल सकें. इन सिंपल इंडेक्स नंबर we take the price or quantity on related to only one product, whereas in composite index number the price or quantities are related to more than one products. That is the basic difference between simple and composite index number. Simple index number can be calculated through 2 different methods. One is called fixed base method, in which you calculate price relatives, and another method is called chain base method, in which you calculate link relatives. Whereas composite index number is further subcategorized into 2 different forms. One is called unweighted index number and another one is called weighted index number. Unweighted index number can be calculated through aggregative index method and average of relative method, whereas weighted index number of composite index number can be calculated through 4 different methods: Laspers index, Pasches index, Fisher's ideal index and Marshall-Edgeworth index. तो ये इसका कंप्लीट आप सिंपल और कंपोजिट इंडेक्स नंबर के बीच में जो डिफ्रेंसिएशन है वो है. Next, we move to the MCQs related to the paper 2019. First MCQ is that Fisher's index number is called dash index number. Always keep this thing in your mind that Fisher's index number is always considered as Fisher's ideal index number. So correct option is ideal. And another one is that index for base period is always 100. Options are 1, second is fixed, third one is 100 and more than 100. So always keep in your mind that index for base period is always 100. So these are MCQs of index number related to paper 2019. In next coming videos, I will discuss with you more about the index number on the basis of different previous papers in variation of different questions. So till then, take care of yourself, stay blessed and take care of other persons around you. Thank you.